Yeah. On the other side. Move up.
My battery died. Yep.
Behind the white truck. Behind the white truck.
This is so funny.
Mm-hmm.
Behind the white truck.
Totally get him right now. I know.
It's hard to do the camera because, like, I see everybody, so I have to watch and make sure I'm not looking at, like, where everybody is because I don't want to give everybody's positions away.
I want to get you guys a good camera.
I have a Sony camera that records video and stuff. It's a 10 megapixel. It would probably work. I thought about getting it today. I should bring it next time. The sound is ridiculous. That was awesome. Alec is such a badass.
This was like right there. So they're actually outnumbered now.
Yeah.
More so.
Oh, my titties are they keep getting hit today. The very tip of your finger?
No!
What happened? Stickers?
Full force body into stickers.
Oh no. No good. You're gonna need Benadryl, dude.
I'm good.
Alright.
now. You hit? No. I went full force into a patch of stupid things.
Stupid goat head.
You're welcome! Whoa, holy shit!
Okay.
That flew by my fucking head. Scared the crap out of me. I'm almost out.
I'm out completely. I had to give Alec my ammo.
Shout out. You got shot, I guess?
I've been shot a few times today. It's part of the game.
I can understand.
I want to get good footage of you guys.
You're not alone, Alec.
I don't know. I've been recording for 8 minutes already. Dude, devastating today. Truly devastating. Okay, I'm gonna get away from you because I don't want to get hit again. They're gunning for you.
Well, that's a wasp nest. You're not very nice. Yeah.
Wow. Keep it up, though.
They don't like me in here. Oh my god.
He was running from the wasp when he got shot. You okay? Oh my god, your nose. Fuck.
Yeah.
Damn, you're bleeding. I'll call you Rudolph. No, I'm just kidding. We'll have to, I have an antibiotic, I think, in the car if you want some.
Sorry. Go for
Oh, we got the whole team.
Now shoot him. Behind the yellow thing. Whoa, whoa! Almost.
I want to get hit by it, Steven. Go around. Go around.
I think they have other people on the other side too.
No, they don't. Everyone's over here.
No, two of them went over there.
He's gonna get killed.
Oh! Yeah! I got hit in the head before. I was gonna call that headshot and I got it in the face.
Oh, fuck!
My last shot got Jeff in the head.
Yeah, I know.
I don't have semi-auto in 14 kills today.
Good job. Aaron, are you okay?
Oh, fuck. I saw him. Really?
Woo!
Ah, fuck. I'm ready to do it.
You guys can hit me, probably hit me.
Is that it?
I'm done, my ammo's gone.
I think that's game because I think your whole team's out of ammo.